What's the get down, y'all? Got another video for you. Still working on Supernatural. On this channel, like I said, I'm a little behind. I know people get mighty frustrated because he ain't putting out video. But I told y'all to get down. Now I gotta wait June 30th, but I'm getting them out, bro. But I told y'all to get down, man. So bear with me, bro. But I'm putting them out, bro. But nobody don't want to just be wasting their time. It ain't wasting their time, but it's a lot going on. But just watch this video, man. You know what I mean? This still supernatural. As soon as I end up leaving my camera too, but I'm finna put some footage out, man. Just y'all tap in, man. Footage is coming, but check this out right now. Check this out.
I'm doing me. That's right. Hey, where you at? I'm here. Supernatural too? Right there. Oh.
What's up, huh?
All right, little nephew, how you doing?
Man, good.
All right.
Man, you know I got lost. And then that train. Keep it up too. Well, your car is over there. Oh, I see it. Over there, late. That's what up. I gotta do some work. Y'all good? All right, I'm gonna go get it. Good luck, good seeing y'all, man. Yeah, no doubt. Yeah.
What up, Terry?
Hey, what's up, little one? How you doing, man? Yeah, in the house, man. Good luck. Loved ones in the house. What's up, loved one? Appreciate y'all, man. You know I always catch y'all. Love y'all line up, bro. Keep doing it. Yeah. Compton finest, y'all. They brought him out today. Yeah, I appreciate y'all, little one. What happened, TEX? Hey, tap on it, man. Tap on it, man. Hey, it's out here. Tap on it. Let them know it works, man. Come on, TEX. Let them know it ain't just motor, man. Let them know it ain't just motor, man. Don't tell you mess something up. Anywhere.
Hey, it's milking. That's what they get gas. That motherfucker. Yeah, that motherfucker can drink gas like a motherfucker. He can't buy this. He ain't buy this. I'm thinking about this.
Y'all, it's too much to be going down there getting all this, y'all. My boy Big Greg, man, Big G. How you doing, my brother? Man, good to see you, little one. Looking good, man. Got him cleaned up. Yeah. Man, you already know, man, son of God.
That's right, you already know. Yeah.
Likewise, brother.
Oh, what's that, dog?
What's up, homie? What's up, Casper? Look at my boy Casper out here. I see you. Chicano. I see you, Casper.
I shit all like all night hungry, dog.
Yeah. You all good? All right. Gotta go a little fast. All right. All right, big dog. Illusion. Good to see y'all. Yeah. Got the losers over there. This an 84 or something? Hey, what is it, 84? 80. DJ Vegas himself.
Yep.
Get your vibe right.
Slinging these fast flies, get the vibe right. Now that.
That nigga photobombed your shit. What? Hey, I'm finna come over there. Watch for life. That was TEX over here, y'all. This the man right here, y'all. Scared people with that horn right here, this here. They heard that horn, man.
Don't ask about the horn. You want to hear your ears, man? Don't ask about the horn. Hey, they got a freight train.
Truck horn up in there. Bro, man,
I'm trying to get my page up and shit.
man, it ain't nothing but to start it though, bro. You gotta start somewhere, bro. You know, fuck that Instagram and shit, bro.
No, that shit played out.
Yes.
I was really only doing it just for the, you know, for the culture, you know, because I love this shit. You know what I'm saying?
Tay, open the door for me, please. I don't want to touch it. I don't want the strap to touch it. I don't want to, you know what I mean? Ooh.
I want to see that pink thing, man. That pink thing finna come on shit, no.
Look, man, let me, look, y'all.
I know it's green. I think it's gonna look that normal. Yeah. So this the only thing we're gonna have cut though. No, I'm gonna cut one more. Oh yeah?
Look at that interior.
We'll do something. You know, it's gonna be nasty. But
Yeah, all your cars are nasty.
I'm gonna have two rides.
You got the freaky shit, man.
So Mr. Tech, you know I ain't never really get you on my video. Tech, hey, what's up, my brother? Look, y'all, got my brother Tex out here.
Man, I'm kind of home, man. Nigga getting on this cold, but it's all good.
Man, good to have you. Good to have you out here, Big Tex.
Oh, man,
You,
come for a minute just to
yeah, you know what I'm saying? I know one day, if it's possible, I know you get a chance, I know I would like to go get an interview, the inventory, take that little show run, you hear me? I appreciate, but I follow you, brother, and I appreciate and I like what you do, man. You inspire others, bro.
Yeah.
You know, that's what we do this for the love and inspire others, bro. Yeah, I like that, man. I like that, man. I ain't gonna take too much of your time. Appreciate you, Ted. We to be continue, brother. I got you. Good luck. See them truck horns right there, y'all.
6 of them.
6. You got 6 of them?
Yeah, 3, 2 here and 1 in the fender.
God, dog, boy. God.
What's happening with it?
Train horn. Yeah, that's Big Tex, y'all.
Yeah, little Dixie ball, but
What's up with you, bro?
So my guy, you good?
Yeah. hope y'all liked that, man. You know what I mean? Big Tex came in with the train horn. You know what I mean? And but it's all good, man. It's your creation. Whatever you like. You know what I mean? You know, people. I like to see people creations and their ideals, man. Low riding lasts forever, man. Low riding ain't gonna never die. Tap in. Thank y'all for watching, man. Hit that like, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Comment if you feel. Much love and respect. I'm out. Terry Bone, enjoying Low Rider Scene video. Much love.